The English language is a taonga too. Many years ago, European came to this fine country of ours and they colonised. Now, I'm not saying that our Māori culture is unworthy. I'm just saying, picture this, all these natives running around in grass skirts. What can this cause, ladies and gentlemen? Diseases, colds, the list goes on. I am proud to be able to stand here and say, yes, I am Māori and I am Pākehā. And though I am not strong in that Māori language, I am strong in the Pākehā language. It is a treasure. They say in 20 years, we will be speaking Japanese. Now, I'm telling you now, get a good head start on this. Konnichiwa, watashi wa Soraya desu. Ladies and gentlemen, we stand here and we say, Māori is the treasure, and I agree. But picture this, 20 years when we all have to say konnichiwa, watashi wa blank desu. We will be saying, I wish I treasured that language, that Pākehā, that English, that European.